is in the lead right now. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I think Ray Charles could see that. Gomez looking for some deep water out there, just in case he has to take the parachute down. Looks like a good wave brewing right out there to his west. And unfortunately, going to close up before he gets there. Looks like another set coming in right behind that, ladies and gentlemen, from our view up here at the Tower of Power. Once again, 1 minute, 30 seconds left, and we haven't seen a trick yet from Gomez. Probably just under a minute now for Gomez. All right, Gomez first trick, an aerial barrel roll. 30 seconds left on the clock for Gomez. And it looks like there's a couple brewing up right back there where he's at, just in his neighborhood, maybe just to the south of where he's at. Let's see if we see him pop out. Nope. Not going to do it. Tick-tock goes the clock, and he tries an aerial barrel roll coming over the face of the wave. Looks like we got parts. We got a yard sale out there, and Gomez is in charge.